today I'm going to show you a perfect way to make an omelet under 5 minutes. And I'm going to go over the ingredients with you right now. This one's for all you salmon lovers out there. First, we got our 2 eggs, of course, honey smoked salmon, our fresh dill, and we got some heavy cream. And I'm going to go with a simple seasoning of salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to go ahead to the stove and show you how to do this right now. We got a little bit of oil, and we're gonna let the oil heat up a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and incorporate the eggs after that. While we're waiting for that to heat up, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly stir your eggs. The easiest way I go about it is sticking your spoon or utensil right into the middle of the yolk and spinning that one. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. And you're gonna wanna beat this until it's a little frothy and bubbling a little bit. Got a little bit of bubbling in there. I'm gonna set this aside right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab the salmon. The pan looks nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some salmon in there to get the salmon nice and warm before I put the eggs in. I'm gonna let that cook for about 30 seconds, popping. There's a lot of fat inside the salmon. Now this is a quick process. We stir, 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 off. Put it all together. Back on, throw some dill in there, some heavy cream, and we keep mixing. Off, let it simmer a little bit out here. Back on. I like a little bit more heavy cream, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. And I like to season it when it's nice and hot. To me, this looks about done. So I'm gonna turn it off, set it aside right here, and go ahead and put some salt and pepper on here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a plate.